Are you looking to boost your website's search engine rankings? Ever thought about incorporating video into your SEO strategy? If not, you might be overlooking a key component of your brand's SEO efforts. Hi, I'm Brandon from Pixelab Studios, and in today's video, we're diving into the world of video marketing SEO. When it comes to SEO, text-based techniques often come to mind as a way to enhance website rankings and search results. But SEO is more than just text. In this video, I'll shed light on why video is a powerful tool for search engine optimization and how it can elevate your rankings. So, let's get started. So, how exactly does video help boost your search ranking? Well, for starters, Google has a soft spot for video content and tends to rank sites with relevant videos higher in search results. A well-made video on a web page can enhance the metrics that Google uses to rank websites, such as the amount of time users spend on your page and the number of backlinks to your site. It also sets you apart from your competitors. When pitted against a text-only article from your competitor, adding a video to your web page can give you an edge in ranking higher in search results. Now that we understand why video is important to your SEO success, let's take a look at how to optimize your videos for search engines. In today's digital age, high-quality video content is a must. Brands need to produce top-notch content geared towards a specific goal, as subpar content just won't cut it. When creating a video with search engine optimization in mind, it's crucial to prioritize quality. Your video should serve a purpose and enhance the customer experience, while positioning you as an authority in your field. Educational and informative videos that cater to a particular stage of the customer journey can enrich your website, keep your viewers engaged for longer, and bolster your SEO strategy. A well-designed video thumbnail can significantly boost clicks to your website when displayed alongside your search result, so it's worth putting some thought into it. You can create thumbnails using traditional design software like Photoshop or more user-friendly options like Canva. Now, given that Google owns YouTube, it tends to favor content from its own platform. So it's a smart move to upload your marketing video to YouTube and embed it on your site. Enhancing the text within your YouTube video titles and descriptions can further elevate your page ranking in search results. Craft video titles and descriptions rich in keywords and incorporate these keywords into your accompanying webpage as well. You can discover relevant keywords through YouTube's Search Suggest or tools like Google's Keyword Planner. Incorporating a video transcript on your webpage can aid search engines in identifying and indexing the content within your video, thereby enhancing the likelihood of your page ranking well for relevant searches. Transcripts can also boost the accessibility of your content, adding another layer to your SEO strategy. To craft an SEO-optimized transcript, you can either manually transcribe it or utilize a tool like YouTube's speech recognition software. Once you have your transcript, format it by strategically placing keywords in the titles, headlines, and subheadings. Video marketing and SEO go hand in hand, with video SEO efforts being a vital component of a successful digital marketing strategy. Consistently producing high-quality video content, optimizing it with keywords, incorporating transcripts, and utilizing structured data can enhance your SEO rankings and optimize your website. If you're ready to learn even more about video marketing SEO, be sure to click the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.